Ruff, ruff. Name's Bubba. Bubba Hubbard. I'm here to tell you a story about trauma. You haven't heard of trauma before? Well, living through something scary can be traumatic. A person may get extremely stressed out and feel helpless. Here's my story. Old Mother Hubbard worked as a maid at the Humpty Dumpty Hotel. We didn't have much, but we were happy. Everything was going fine until she broke her ankle.
Time to get up, Bubba. The school bus will be here soon.
That's me. I was just a pup back then.
Good morning, Old Mother Hubbard.
I'm not old. I'm only 32.
Well, in dog years, that makes you 224. Ruff. Can I have some breakfast?
Let's look. Oh dear, the cupboard is bare.
Again? Not even a bone?
Not even a bone. Things will be tight until I can get back to work. Here comes the bus. You better hurry.
Okay. See you later, Old Mother Hubbard.
Oh, you. Off you go.
I said I was okay, but really, I was worried. I couldn't think about anything but food. Not having enough to eat can be traumatic.
Good morning, class. Let's start off the morning with a read aloud. Please open your book to page 11. Begin.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Stop it, Bubba. Miss Goose.
What's wrong, little Bo Peep?
Bubba keeps bumping into me.
Bubba Hubbard, where's your book? Bubba, can you answer me? You start out the week so perfect. You roll and you fetch and you heal. But at the end of the week, you don't even speak. Doggy, what is your deal? Oh, Monday and Tuesday, you're a good doggy. Wednesday and Thursday, you're a good doggy too. But Friday, oh Friday, doggy, what happened to you? Students, time for music class.
Hey, give me my horn back. Miss Goose!
Give little boy Blue his horn back right now. You're crabby and angry, snapping and growling. You bother your classmates with your yapping and howling. You're crying and you're biting. Oh, Fridays are your days for fighting. Oh, Monday and Tuesday, you're a good doggy. Wednesday and Thursday, you're a good doggy too. But Friday, oh Friday, doggy, what happened to you? Seems like you're having a rough day. What's up?
Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get me a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare.
And so you, poor dog, had none?
Yeah, when I'm at home, I never know when we'll get to eat. What if the cupboard's bare all weekend?
You're not a bad doggy. You're a hungry doggy.
I'm sorry for being so much trouble.
Anyone can get distracted and cranky when their bellies are empty. I just bought some fresh veggies and bread on the way to school. Let's tuck some in your backpack.
Thanks, Miss Goose.
You're welcome. You know, there was a time when food was tight for me, too. There were people who helped me back then. Now I can help you. It's good when people take care of each other.
After school,
I'm home. Look, my teacher shared her veggies and bread.
I can make us a nice soup with these veggies.
I'll make sure we always have something to eat.
I'm supposed to be taking care of you, not the other way around.
We'll take care of each other. What's wrong, Mama?
Oh, Bubba, I keep thinking about all the money I've spent over the years. If only I'd saved more, we wouldn't be in this situation. Since I was almost 20, been working as a maid. The job, it could be hard sometimes, but I was regular paid from then to now. I always made it through somehow. I remember when I met you, you were just a pup. The loving look you gave me when first I picked you up. I made a vow that we were a family now. One day I was out walking, feeling rich I guess. In the window of the thrift store I saw a fine red dress. Oh, I wish I had the money I spent on that red dress now. Now I ain't been working since I don't know when, and I gotta pay the rent and buy the medicine. And I see the hunger in your eyes, I see you getting thin, and I know I made a promise, I'll keep it if I can. I just ask you to trust me, I'll find a way somehow. Oh, I wish I had the money I spent on that red dress now.
This isn't your fault. Breaking your ankle was an accident. I'm glad you have your red dress. You look so fancy in it.
Oh, Bubba, you're the sweetest pup ever.
We were hungry for several weeks, but finally, Old Mother Hubbard was able to go back to work. The cupboard wasn't bare anymore, but the trauma stayed with me. Years later, I was doing some weird stuff. If you asked me at the time, I couldn't tell you why.
Who's in my kitchen? You're supposed to be in class. I already made lunch for all you students.
You never know what can happen.
Hey, where'd you go?
It's best to plan ahead.
Stop swiping all the snacks.
'Cause people who fail to make a plan
Stop.
can end up dead. Thanks a bunch. It would be easy to starve. It would be easy to die. But I'm not a person who starves. A resourceful fellow am I. I've got candy bars under my bed and 24 bags of chips, beef jerky and fritters, and bread and jam in case of apocalypse.
Yoo-hoo! Anybody home?
Oh, hi, Jill. Come on in.
Oh, I was on my way to fetch a pail of water, and I thought I'd say hi. Honey, why are there bags of chips stuffed under your couch cushions?
Bubba, you're hiding food again?
I have to, in case of emergencies. I have a plan. I'll be safe no matter what. I am the man. Well, at least I am the mutt. Some people think I'm obsessed. I prefer to call it prepared. 'Cause I'm not a person who starves. I'm just a person who's scared.
Well, I think hiding food makes perfect sense. Bubba's still scared that you'll run out of food.
I've been hiding food since I was a puppy.
That was smart. It helped you survive.
But things are better now. Our cupboard is full.
And yet, Bubba's still trapped in all of those scary thoughts and feelings. Being hungry must have been traumatic for him.
Jill, how do you know so much about trauma?
When we were kids, my brother and I fell down a big hill. It was terrifying, and we both got hurt pretty bad. After that, there'd be times when all of a sudden I felt like I was tumbling down the hill again. But it didn't feel like a memory. I believed I was actually falling.
What did you do?
I talked to a therapist. She's worked with lots of people who have trauma, so she had lots of helpful suggestions.
Can I talk to your therapist?
Well, sure. Her name is Polly Pumpkineater.
And so the next week, I had my first appointment with Polly Pumpkineater.
Bubba, I am so glad you're here. You've been dealing with trauma all alone, but you don't have to. You have your mom and your friends, and now you have me too. Tell me, what's going on?
I feel so scared and worried all the time.
And it must feel impossible to let that fear go. Let's take a deep breath together. That can help calm all your worries. You know, one thing that has helped others with trauma is volunteering.
Volunteering?
When you help others, you feel a little less helpless yourself.
Huh. Maybe I could help other people who are hungry.
What a great idea. I'm sure the food pantry would love your help.
Thanks. I'll give it a try.
And so, Old Mother Hubbard and I began volunteering together. And you know what? I did feel less helpless. The more I learned about trauma, the more I wanted to help others. So, I went to school to become a therapy dog. Now, I visit kids who are in tough situations. How are you doing?
It's been a bad day.
Do you want to talk about it?
Not really.
Okay. We can just be quiet together.
Your fur is so soft. Can I scratch your ears?
Of course.
Thanks, Bubba. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I'm so happy to be helping others. You know, you can help others too. Can you imagine if we all shared? What a dear relief it is to know you've got enough to live in sweetest peace, to rest in dreamy sleep, and waking up to make a change. What a world we dream of, where all will have enough. Live in sweetest peace, rest in dreamy sleep, rising up to make a change. The end.